Hello everyone, welcome to GIS ePathshala. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.4 question number 7. Question number 7 is that Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter. Shirt material's price is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material's cost is rupees 90 per meter. Okay, both having the different price. Now, next. For every 3 meter shirt, for one shirt, 3 meter clothes is required and 2 meter trouser material is required. For one pair, it needs 3 meter of shirt material, shirt cloth and 2 meter trouser material is required. He sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. Means he is selling the material at 12% profit in the shirt and 10% profit in trouser. His total sale is rupees 36,600. So total selling is given. Total sale rupees 36,600. And how much trouser material did he buy? So how much trouser material did he buy? That we have to find. So here I solve this sum. We will see. So first of all, question number 7, Hassan shirt materials price is rupee 50 per meter and trouser rupees 90 per meter. For shirt, one shirt 3 meter cloth is required and for trouser 2 meter cloth is required. In shirt he take 12% profit and 10% profit in trouser cloth. So his total selling is rupees 36,600. So from here I start the answer. So we don't know how much shirt cloth he buy. So total cloth of shirt is 3x. Okay, here given 3 meter for one shirt. So 3x total cloth here we guess. Total he buy shirt cloth of 3x meter total cloth of shirt. Now total amount of shirt cloth. Total amount of shirt cloth is equal to 3x. This much meter cloth you buy and for 1 meter price is given upside here 50 meter for 1 meter. So for 3x meter amount is 3x multiplied by 15. So 5 3s are 15 and 1 0. So 150x is total cost price of shirt cloth. Now we have to find selling price for the shirt. So selling price equation is that 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price. Now profit percentage of shirt is given 12%. That is already given in the question. So 100 plus 12 upon 100 multiplied by, in place of cost price we have to take 150x. Now 100 plus 12, 112 divided by 100 multiplied by 150. Now 0 0 cut here 10 and 15. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now 112 2s are 56, 2 1s are 2 and 112 divided by 2. So answer is 56. Now here 56 and here 3. So 56 3s are 168. So selling price for shirt is total selling price for shirt is rupees 168x. Now same things we have to do for trouser. Okay, so first of all total cloth of trouser is 2x. Okay, for one trouser 2 meter cloth is required. So for total cloth is 2x. Total amount of trouser for 1 meter trouser 90 rupees for 2x meter trouser. So 2x multiplied by 90. So 180x. Now same equation of selling price 100 plus percentage profit in this trouser. The Hassan is taking the profit of 10%. So 100 plus 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 180. So 100 plus 10, 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 180. 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. So 11 18s are 198x. So here we got both For trouser, selling price total is 190x and selling price for shirt is 168. Now the total selling is given, so total selling is equal to 36,600. So total selling is equal to selling of shirt plus selling of trouser. So total selling is given 36,600. So 168x plus 198x is equal to 36,600. If you add these two, so answer will be 366. Now we have to find the value of x. So this 366 is goes to division of 36,600. Now 366, 1 is 366. So answer is 100. Here we got x is equal to 100. Now in question they ask the question that how much cloth of trouser did he buy. So trouser material in the beginning we guess 2x. So 2x, so 2 multiplied by 100. So 200 meter trouser material Hassan buy. Okay, so here we finished our question number 7. Question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Numbers of deer are grazing in the field. Means first of all we guess total numbers of deer is equal to x. Now grazing half means x by 2. Now next 3/4 of the remaining means जो बचे उसके 3/4 remaining means 3/4 of remaining. So 3/4 of remaining means x minus x by 2. Okay, total x उसमें से हाफ ग्रेजिंग कर रहे तो बचे कितने तो x minus x by 2. X minus x by 2 is equal to x by 2 itself. So 3/4 of x by 2, 4 2s are 8. So 3x by 8 are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water, and 9 are drinking water. So find the numbers of deer. So total number is x. उसमें से half x by 2 is grazing, 3x by 8 are playing, and 9 are watering. So total x is equal to this. Okay, now here denominator is 8. So we want 8 in denominator of all numbers. So here 2 is given. So 2 4s are 8 and 4x by 8 plus 3x by 8, and here in the denominator of 9 1 is already there. So 1 8s are 8 or 9 8s are 72. Now these 8 we can take common. Now this 8 is going in multiplication of x. 8x is equal to 4 plus 3x, 7x plus 72. Now this 7x is going to left hand side, so it become minus 7x. 8x minus 7x is equal to 72. So x is equal to 72. So in the beginning we guessed that the numbers of deer are x. So we got here total numbers of deer is 72. Example number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So in this, first of all, we have to guess the age of the granddaughter is x and age of the grandfather is 10x. And already it is given that he is also 54 years older than her. So find their present age. 54 years older. Let me see. Granddaughter is x here and grandfather 10x. So 10x. Grandfather's age is equal to x plus 54. It's given that now that 54 years older than his granddaughter. So both are same. 10x is grandfather's age and daughter's age plus 54. So both become same, right? Both become same. Now from this we have to find the value of x. So this x goes to left hand side, so it becomes minus x is equal to 54. So 10x minus 9x is equal to 54. So this 9 goes to right hand side, so it goes to division of 54. So 54 divided by 9. 9 6 are 54. So x is equal to 9. So the age of granddaughter is 6 years and the age of grandfather is 10x. So 10 multiplied by 6, 60 years. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So here we have to guess Aman's son's age is x and Aman's age is 3x. 10 years ago. Ago means before 10 years. So minus 10. From this both age we have to do minus 10. He was 5 times his son's age. Aman's age is 5 times his son's age. So find their present age. So let me solve this question. Question number 10. Son's age is x year and Aman's age is 3x. Now 10 years ago, son's age is x minus 10 and Aman's age is 3x minus 10. It says that before 10 years, Aman's age is 5 times his son's age. So first of all, x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 10. So 3x minus 10 is father, means this one is Aman's age, right? Now, in question it is given that before 10 years, Aman's age is 5 times more than his son's age. So it is already 5 times more. Here we want both should be equal. If you want to equal this both, so multiply by 5 over here. Now these both are equal because in question it given that the father's age is 5 times more. So if you 5 times more over here, so both should be equal. Now these both are equal. So now let me solve and find the x. 5 multiplied by x, 5x, 5 multiplied by 10, 50. And here 3x minus 10. Now 5x minus 3x, this 3x goes to left hand side, so it becomes minus 3x, and here minus 10 and minus 15 is going to right hand side, so it becomes plus 50. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 40, means plus minus minus, 50 minus 10, 40, and 50 is bigger, so it is sign of plus 40. Now this 2 is going to divide in 40, so 40 divided by 2, so 20. X is equal to 20. So Aman's x is equal to 20. So his son's age, okay, at the beginning we guess that son's age is x. So here we get it. Son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 3x, means 3 multiplied by 20. So 3 20s are 60. So his Aman's son is 60 years. Aman's age is 60 and his son's age is 20 years. So here we finished our exercise number 2.4. So write down these all examples with question and send me the photographs. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.